back, or welcome to my channel. Welcome to my first travel video of the summer. Today I'm going to be packing for a very fun trip. I am going to Europe. More specifically, I'm going to Italy for 2.5 weeks. And if you've been following along my channel for a while, you would know that there is a city in Italy and a specific music program that I've been going to for pretty much 10 years now. And this year I will be going back, but instead of participating fully in the summer music program, I'm going to be working there, which is so exciting. Last year was what I thought was going to be the last year I was ever going to go, because I'm not pursuing music in college, but I was lucky enough to be given the opportunity to work there as an assistant, helping on the administrative side of managing the program, which is right up my alley because I'm majoring in business in college and I love management and planning. So working on the admin side of this program that has really just become like a second home to me is actually the biggest dream come true. That is the trip I'm going to be packing for. Today is July 3rd and I leave next week on July 12th. I just made a packing list on Notion full of everything I need. First things first, the hardest thing for me to always pack is my outfits. I'm going to go through my closet and then pick all of my outfits. I don't think I'm gonna like put them together yet, but I'm just gonna wash everything that I think I'm gonna bring. That is first step. I don't know what I'm gonna wear because it gets really hot there, but I guess we'll see.
Oh, like a summer breeze when I fall, like autumn leaves. Wouldn't it be nice to grow old together? 'Cause you're calling out to me, but there's somewhere I gotta be. Wouldn't it be nice if timing was better? Priorities change, but people never do.
Hello, it is now like an hour or so later. I put my clothes in the washer and I just put them in the dryer, so they still have a little bit of time before I can actually sort through my outfits and actually plan what I'm gonna bring. But I just went to Target because basically I'm going to college in the fall, and for that I have to meet like a bunch of health requirements. So earlier this week I was actually having the worst cramps ever. Like I was bedridden, could not get anywhere. And then on Monday they were like starting to get better, and I also had an appointment to get a vaccine for my college. They gave me the wrong one, so I was bedridden again from my vaccine side effects and from my cramps. We're feeling a lot better today, so I just went to get the actual right vaccine that I need from the CVS in Target. And then while we were there, we also just shopped a little bit for random stuff like mosquito repellent and shampoo. But now, since my clothes isn't fully ready yet, I think I'm going to go through my toiletries and just like my personal stuff. My carry-on bag is always my school backpack, but I have not cleared that out since high school. So I first need to clear out that and then start packing my toiletries and personal stuff.
I wrote a note upon my hand today. It said I should take a look around. Not gonna make the same mistakes, no way, 'cause I'm letting everybody down. And it seems so very clear that I'm just wasting my years.
Hello everyone, it is actually the next day. Today's July 4th actually, so fun. But yesterday, oh my god, I got my vaccine and my arms are starting to hurt a little bit, so I didn't do anything for the rest of the day, especially since I'm double vaccinated. I couldn't like reach my arms like above this without them both hurting, so I just couldn't pack. But I'm starting to feel much better today and time to continue packing. So where I left off yesterday, I cleaned out my backpack and then I have my laundry back in my room. So now I need to put all of my clothes in my luggage and then packing my personal stuff. I do have a week until I leave, so a lot of my personal stuff, like my makeup, skincare, everything, I can't pack until like 2 days before, but I'm gonna try to get a head start on whatever I can. But first, I'm gonna pack all of my clothes. Normally, I go to this music festival with all of my family, so with my mom, my dad, and my brother. But this year, it's only gonna be me and my mom. And normally when I go with like my whole family, we're trying to like pack 4 people's stuff in like 2 to 3 suitcases, so it's really stuffed. But this year, since it's just me and my mom, we both have our own suitcase, which is really nice. So I can pretty much like go ham on the clothes that I'm bringing, especially since we don't have laundry there. But I'm still gonna try to make my luggage seem very organized. So I have 2 different plastic bags. I think I'm gonna use this for tops, this for bottoms. I also need to figure out the outfit I'm wearing on a plane. Normally I wear like sweats or jeans on the plane since the plane is cold, but in Italy it's really, really hot. So I need to pack an airport outfit where I can change into right when we get to Italy, because as soon as I'm off the plane, oh my god, it's gonna be scorching hot. So I need to pack that and just figure out all of my outfits. Tell if I like this dress or not. Okay, I have 9 tops, 5 bottoms, 2 dresses. Hello, I just finished putting all my clothes away. Honestly, they all fit in one bag. It's pretty good, but I think I'm gonna still like use, oh my god. Still use the other plastic bag for like other random clothes I need to bring. So now that I figured out all my outfits, the biggest thing that I can do at this point is pack my concert attire and then just like other random stuff. So every year that I normally go to this program, it's really kind of crazy over there in terms of like the intensity of the program and everything. So you're basically performing like 4 times a week. But since I'm working there this year, I'm not going like primarily for the program. I am still participating in like a very small section of it, which means I only have 1 performance, which is great because I don't think I could do like 8 performances this time around. So I only need to pack 1 set of concert attire with concert shoes and concert socks, everything like that. So I'm gonna go look for that now. It's pretty much just standard black.
Shot like you did. Now I got my feelings out the door. Man, I feel so stupid. Romance, I ain't fluid. Could you teach me a thing or 2 more? This is like the Sonic goodies that make you want it in a lifestyle. If you think you're the one for me, then prove it right now. Brighter than a lighthouse.
Hello, it is now a little bit later. I just finished packing stuff in my suitcase. I'm looking at my packing list right now. The only things I really have left to pack are all of like my makeup and skincare stuff that I'm going to be using throughout the rest of the week. But I pretty much got all of my clothes out of the way, all the music stuff, everything else I need for the next few days. But since this video is going up tomorrow, I think I'm going to actually end this video right here and then pack all of my last minute stuff in my next travel with me vlog. I don't think I'm going to be posting while I'm there on YouTube, but I will be filming a ton and will be posting like travel with me and like vlogs from when I'm there after I come back. I have a layover in Switzerland where we're gonna be able to like actually go out into the world there, so I'm gonna vlog that as well. Italy and some of Switzerland vlogs will be coming so soon. I'm so excited. This is literally, again, like one of the biggest dreams come true, just to be able to work there and just go to the city again and be surrounded by this program. I'm grateful beyond words. So thank you so much for coming along. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, chair if you stayed to the end of this. Also make sure you subscribe, click the post notifications, and follow my Instagram and TikTok at uniceliubusiness. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, night, or whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you guys soon for more travel vlogs. Bye.